Hello, hello. So, the actual code and functions for the hit reactions is done. So, the player and the actual NPC both use the same component, so they use the same code. So, we have a lock target, which is this guy, and a locking system, which locks into the actual character, and this only triggers if we have our sword equipped. If we don't, um, we can just strafe, and it doesn't have the locking. But if we equip our sword, it triggers the locking, and we can lock into the character. Of course, it's not completely polished yet, but the program and the code for it works. So, what happens if we actually start hitting the character? Blood effects spawn, and they work. They absolutely work. I love them. Again, they're not polished, but they look decent, and they go away after a time. They just don't disappear. They go away. See, it's slowly fading. Yeah. So this is the actual code for it, and the reason it's not locking here anymore because the actual character is dead. I just haven't made a death function for it, and that's the reason that we're still seeing the character, but it's not locking up. So let's go to the code, and I'm going to briefly explain what is happening here. So in the third person character, so this is the face attacking actor, and we're checking here that if we can face actor, we're getting the BBC stats, so the stats for the attacking actor, and we're checking if the actor is not dead. If true, then set actor rotation to this, and then yeah, do something else. And if false, then come here and set the attacking actor to none, set rotation mode to strafing, and can face actor to false. And here I'm just checking if the actor, so if the attacking actor and the current actor that this component sits on, basically if they're four meters apart from each other, the distance is like 4 meters, break the connection and do this. So yeah, this is the targeting system for it, and the actual hit reactions. So this is the hit reaction, right? So hit reaction array, and this is for the longsword. They are all inside a data table, so we can modify them without actually changing the code. And here, so we have animation speed, attack duration response, direction response, which is left for this. For this, it is right. And the slow motion settings, which this thing should not trigger slow motion, so it's not ticked. And yeah, this is the hit reaction for it. And in here, uh, what was it? Yeah, hit reaction. So this is the actual code for it as well. And yeah, it's a bit messy right now, but I have to optimize it and create functions for every one of these, or just put them inside a macro. But yeah, this is the code, and I have to, of course, make the sound effects, which I already have. So if we come here to content, main game, sounds, gore sounds, we have like this, like this, and many other things. So this is drawing, right? And weapons, block, bow, sword, which right, and UI inventory, and yeah, these are just the sound effects that I have to basically apply to all of the animations and everything. So yeah, that's really it.